How is your day today? Let it be fine. Now we are seeing the English lesson. The previous class we have seen about Liam O'Flaherty's his first flight. What we have seen in this first flight story is the young seagull which was encouraged by his parents to fly. But the young seagull was hesitating to fly. It was thinking that its wings were too slender to carry its body. So it is staying on the ledge and waiting for an opportunity. But on seeing the vast expanse of the sea, it was very afraid to make an attempt. His younger brothers and sisters had already flown away from that ledge and they are catching their prey and eating. But this young seagull was waiting there and watching what to do next. So initially his parents appreciated, motivated, but later on they warned him if he is staying there means he will starve to death. But this young seagull was very hungry and it was staying there without eating anything. It went inside the little hole under the ledge and slept. So his brothers and sisters were mocking at him and his parents are scolding him that unless he is not ready to fly, he cannot have his food. So now his brothers had caught a fish and they are eating and they are making a proud cackle to exhibit that they are capable of flying and having its prey. So now in this class we are going to see the next paragraph. He then trotted back and forth from one edge of the end of the ledge to the other, his long grey legs stepping daintily, trying to find some means of reaching his parents without having to fly. But on each side of him the ledge ended in a sheer fall of precipice with the sea beneath. And between him and his parents there was a deep wide crack. So what was given in this film, in this paragraph is that அந்த கடல் பறவை என்ன செய்யுதுன்னா தன்னுடைய அழகான சாம்பல் நிற கால்களை ஊன்றி அவனுடைய பெற்றோரை அடைவதற்கான வழியை தேடிக்கொண்டிருக்கிறது. ஆனால் இரண்டு புறங்களிலும் காணப்படும் கூரிய முனைகளை கொண்ட பாறைகளை பார்த்தவுடன் அதற்கு நீங்காத பயம் மட்டுமே அதனுடைய மனதில் நீங்கி நிற்கிறது. அந்த பள்ளத்தில் தான் விழுந்து விடுவோமோ என்ற பயம் அந்த பறவைக்கு இருந்து கொண்டே இருந்தது. You can move to the next paragraph. Surely he could reach them without flying if he could only move northwards along the cliff face. But then on, what could he walk? There was no ledge and he was not a fly. And above him he could see nothing. The precipice was sheer and the top of it was perhaps farther away than the sea beneath him. So what we have seen here is surely he could reach them without flying if he could only move northwards. If the young seagull was trying to move towards the north direction, he can reach its parents. But how could he walk? There was no ledge, nothing. There was only a wide crack was there. Then it is impossible for him to move there. So he could see nothing. It was sharp and it was afraid to see it also. ஸோ அந்த செங்குத்து பாறை ரொம்ப உயரமாகவும் அந்த இடத்துல எதுவுமே ஒரு லெட்ஜு மாதிரி இல்லாததுனால அதால் அந்த பறவையால் என்ன செய்ய முடியல, இன்னொரு சைடு போக முடியல. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. Still they took no notice of him. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau dozing, with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white back, only his mother was looking at him. He stepped slowly. The young seagull moved slowly to the ledge, and with one leg and the other leg was hidden under its wings. He closed one eye and then pretended to be half asleep. But their parents, they are still taking no notice of this young seagull. His brothers and sisters, they had their fish and they are dozing. Dozing means having a short nap or short sleep. They are sleeping. But his father, what he was doing is, it was cleaning his feathers. You have seen the birds cleaning their feathers with their beaks. Preening means cleaning the feathers with their beaks. Only his mother was watching what the seagull was doing. எப்போவுமே தாய் பறவை தன்னுடைய குஞ்சு பறவைகளை பார்க்கும்போது இது கற்றுக்கிட்டா அதுக்கு இறைய தேடி கொடுக்க தண்டி தான் கொடுக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அதோட முயற்சியை அந்த தாய் பறவை உருவாக்கி கொடுக்கும். ஆனால் இந்த கடல் பறவை, இந்த சின்ன கடல் பறவை என்ன செய்யுதுன்னா அந்த முயற்சியும் எடுக்கலை. ஆனால் நடிக்குது. தன்னோட தாய் முன்னாடி பசி மயக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி நடித்தா தன்னோட அம்மா ஏதாவது தனக்கு கொண்டு வந்து கொடுத்துருவாங்களா அப்படின்னு. அதோட சகோதரிகள்லாம் நல்லா தூங்குறாங்க. அப்போ அந்த இறகுகளை என்ன செஞ்சிட்ருக்காரு, அந்த சுத்தம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்குது அந்த அப்பா பறவை. அப்போ இந்த யங் சீகல் எப்படியாவது அம்மாவை தன் பக்கம் கூட்டிகிட்டு வந்து இப்படி நடித்து அதோடைய உணவு வாங்கிடலாமா அப்படின்னு முயற்சி செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்குது.